Hello, everyone. Welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. I'm going to talk about Boeing. There's some key news and a very important technical analysis on the stock, right? So before I talk on the technical side on the stock, let's talk about some upgrades on the stocks that what it's looking at between 240 to 290 by Mr. Cohen, right? This is a well-known person, especially when it comes to airline stocks or especially on the airline stocks. He's a very good and excellent project target for the stock, right? What are we looking on the stock, right? Why is the month of July is so important for Boeing? Because in Boeing right now it is moderate buy, still bull pattern, news segment still bullish, technicals positive, increase hedge funds has been increasing from last quarter has been increased. This is all signs of very positive. Scholz shares was the only negative when we have a change of management. So you'll see the inside activity, right? Growth on assets trailing 4.86%. Folks, airline industry are recovering rapidly. All the flights are getting full and they need more planes, right? Boeing is one of the key supplier 737s, 737 800s, 737 Maxes, all of those, right? What are the key targets, right? This is the key targets of Boeing, right? So the low is $229, average is $274, high of $310, right? It is right now it's a moderate buy, right? Current price is right now is at $236, folks. $236. That's a lot of room for all the way high to $300 and even higher where they used to be, right? They were used to be. Let's go back. Let's talk about the technical analysis, right? We remember this deep, right? We remember the huge came in where all the stocks all time high from $346 all the way to 88, and now from the last year's March they have been recovering it, and now it is trading below the moving averages, right? So this is some of the let's do the technical analysis, and then I'll share another news is coming up. So right up here, right, we'll see this uptrend, right? And this is where you can see has been recovering it. If I go back all the way to 89, right? So it's all the way it's been recovering, right? So we see that it has been recovering it. What is the key level it's coming now is the 200. The pink line is the 200-day moving average. The 60 green line is the 60-day moving average. The blue line is 20-day moving average. So every time we had a 200-day moving average, which has acted as a massive support, where it went from $202 all the way to 278 and came even at 219 and went high at 257. So what I'm looking moving this month is where the stock is going to be, right? So I'm going to go back to 3 months, right, folks? Yes, folks. I'm going to go back 3 months to look at some key levels to see what we're looking at, right? Not a whole lot that I can see right now, but I'm not done with it, right? I'm not done with it. So what I have seen right now, this is the key level at $220, right? $220 is gonna be our next support level, roughly around there. It's acted as a support where moving average, and then this moving average $226. Yes, folks, I'm gonna have it at $226 also as our next support if it comes, and which I can see it unfortunately because right now it has a came all the way high of 259. Now has is the 60-day is the 240 is the next resistance. So I'm gonna have this is I want to be our next resistance, and my resistance color is always gonna be the green because I like green. I don't like red on my portfolio or anybody's portfolio. As a matter of fact, right? So I don't like to see. So every time we break this support resistance level, we're always going to act it as a support. So the next support that we're looking at is right here, 226, $220, and The next resistance was at 240, and then it will be right up here at $251, folks. $251, right? So year to date, we'll see our RSI is a 43, lot of room. This is also caught my eyes that the selling that we had from all the way from the 24th all the way a week from high of 251 is coming down to that level. So I'm going to be monitoring very closely if it comes an X at $226 and moving forward, right? Before I talk on the more technical side, let's talk about the news, right? Commercial air travels gets all the attention, but the investors should start paying attention to the private jets, right? Yes, folks, there are big companies are looking to buy Boeing, right? But there's United Airlines investors have announced a massive new order for Boeing, right? And also Airbus, and they are rapidly looking for more growth, right? Airline industry is recovering right now. They are recovering at a fair massive space right now, right? So there have been a shortage of airplanes because they had to lease it off to back to the Boeing, and some of these planes are leased from Boeing, right? They have to give it back. So now they are looking to get it back again, and the massive orders are being placed, right? So something, it's not something actually. It is all pointing to a right direction to go all-time high. If I go all-time high of the max of $433 was the all-time high ever on the Boeing. So this is the road of recovery that we are seeing it, right? In order to load up shares, what I am looking at it on my year-to-date, go back, is the two key levels at $226, right? And then $220 if it drops on that. This 220 is something I don't see it coming all the way. $226, yes, folks, I can definitely see it coming over there, that range, and testing it, and then have another run, go up high, because every time we came to our 200 day moving average acted as a massive support. Even we broke out, we came back quickly, and then we made a massive run on that, right? The average volume is about 12 million, right? On Friday it was about 15 million, which is a very phenomenal volume. MACD, let's talk about MACD. Still selling off, right? Still selling off on the MACD, on the sell off. That's why I'm keeping an eye at 226, and then also RSI. There's a lot of, it's neutral right now. There's a selling pressure. So if it comes all the way to 32, 33 RSI right up here, right, then it will be trading around at $226 to load up shares, right? Overall, the growth of the company is massive, right? They've been growing it crazy. Look at it. If I go to the price target, $314 is the price target, right? It's all-time high. 26 analyses, right, rated on that. All pretty much it is in buy, right? You have some sell, right? But everybody has an opinion. Like I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just doing, this is all based on my opinion to load up shares for Boeing, right? So 226, we need to watch out throughout this week. If it comes over here, and then you'll see a massive uptrend going testing back again at $251. Folks, that's all I have for Boeing. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, so you guys can be constantly be updated on Boeing at all the times, right? I will be doing videos on Boeing moving forward, and also going with the key analysis, key information, key news, bringing to you guys at all the times. So folks, thank you very much. Happy 4th of July. Be safe and enjoy this long weekend. Market is closed on Monday, folks, so it's time to enjoy. And then when the market opens on Tuesday, we'll see what happens. But overall, thank you very much for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe.